Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be preparing some avocado oil, and with me I have plenty of avocados. Well, here we are. We've come to pick some avocados. You can see our tree is full. So I've managed to get these big and vibrant avocados. You can see they're very big. So I'll just keep them here in the sack for about 3 days until they ripen. So our avocados have been ripening for 3 days, and you see they are so soft. So that's the texture we need when making avocado oil. They have to be very soft. So now that we are done washing all our avocados, I'll then go to the next step. Look at that. And finally, this is our last avocado. So for the next stage, I'll be using this big tray and then this small piston for pounding. So I'll just go ahead and pour our avocado. And then quickly, I'll go over and pound it. So I'll just spread it all over the tray. So this is way too much avocado, so it will take a couple of days to dry. So after that long process, it's now time to relax. So I'll just get my avocado and put it in a cool, dry area and let it dry. So in order to keep our nutrients intact, we shall keep it under a shade. Well, this is after 3 hours of sitting under a cool place. So I'll just go in and mix it again. So just like that. I'll again put it back and let it sit until it's dry on top. So every time it dries on top, you keep on mixing. Well, since I have some extra trays, I'll go ahead and split it so that it dries even much faster. Well, as you can see, it's quite sunny here, but I just take it out to mix and then put it back under the shade. And so every time it dries on top, I'll go ahead and mix it just to quicken the drying process. So this is day 3. Every morning I just get it out and then turn it. You can see it's still fresh. And then I'll just keep on turning and turning every time it dries, just like that. So you can tell oil has started forming, as you can see. Our card is glittering. Look at that oil. Day 4, and we are seeing all that amount of oil. So the card is still wet, as you can see. So I'll just keep on turning it until it dries completely. But I'm happy with the results so far. Just look at that. Look at that. All you see down here is oil. Oil has started extracting itself. You can see this one as well. Look at that. This is super amazing. So right now our card is dry. As you can see, it's dry and full of oil. So I've been able to drain out this amount. I'll now use a cloth to strain this. But just look at what we have so far. Pure oil. So since it's a huge portion, I'll be doing it in bits. And then this. So this is the actual amount of oil I've got from the 30 avocados. So using the same cloth we used for straining the card, I'll go ahead and sieve it the second time. So if you've been eating 30 avocados a week, this is the much oil you've been taking in. So you can see it's just a little above 750 mils. So finally, after that long work, I'll go ahead and pack our oil. So just like that. And we still have some more left here. And there we have ourselves perfect oil. So right here we have our pure press cold avocado oil, nothing added in it, it's only avocado. So we can use our oil for cooking, we can use it for our hair, and we can also use it for our skin. And then we have this. So this one, I'll use it for animal feeds. I'll mix it with the maize bran. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.